Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites with the first actionable steps. Audit the curriculum at once to find gaps and redundancies, then pick the top 3 competencies each grade must master. Once done, select a single pilot class and a teacher lead to implement changes immediately because early momentum matters. Make sure to define one measurable metric like mastery percentage or assessment score. This gives you a rapid feedback loop to refine content and instruction on day 1. You continue by executing the complex middle steps. Redesign lessons into short 2-week modules that focus on clear, accessible outcomes. This keeps work manageable and measurable. Once modules exist, run focused teacher training on one high-impact method like retrieval practice with rapid feedback, because depth beats breadth. Make sure to integrate quick formative checks, 5-question quizzes, or 3-minute exit tickets so you can adapt pacing. By doing this, you align instruction, assessment, and coaching. You finish by scaling the solution and completing final steps. Expand successful pilots to 3 to 5 classes and monitor trend lines over 6 to 8 weeks, because short-term noise will smooth into true signal. Once scaled, standardize teacher guides and share one-page templates to reduce variation and speed adoption. If something goes wrong, isolate the failing module, swap the instructional method or resource, and remeasure in 2 weeks. This quick pivot prevents wasted time and keeps progress moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.